DuckDB versus ClickHouse, two analytics powerhouses that couldn't be more different. One runs on your laptop, the other scales to petabytes across clusters. Which one should you actually use? Let's break it down. And hey, if you find this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more technical deep dives. DuckDB is an embedded in-process analytics database. Think SQLite, but built specifically for OLAP workloads. Zero setup, no server, runs directly in your Python notebook or application. Perfect for data scientists and analysts working with medium-sized datasets. ClickHouse is a distributed columnar database designed for massive real-time analytics. Multi-node architecture handles petabytes of data, built for enterprises running high concurrency dashboards and monitoring systems. Architecture. DuckDB is single node and embedded. It lives inside your process with no external dependencies. ClickHouse runs as a distributed cluster with sharding and replication across multiple servers. Performance, here's where it gets interesting. DuckDB absolutely crushes it on small to medium datasets. We're talking sub-second queries on datasets up to hundreds of gigabytes. In recent benchmarks, it even hit number 1 on ClickBench for in-memory operations. But ClickHouse dominates at scale. When you're dealing with billions of rows and complex joins, ClickHouse can be up to 9,000 times faster, especially on JSON workloads. On a single machine with 50 to 100 million rows, DuckDB often outperforms. Beyond that, ClickHouse's distributed architecture takes over. Ease of use. DuckDB wins hands down. It's literally one import statement in Python. No configuration, no cluster management, no DevOps. ClickHouse requires server setup, understanding distributed systems, and ongoing maintenance. But that complexity comes with power. Hundreds of integrations, horizontal scaling, and real-time ingestion capabilities. Use cases. DuckDB excels at exploratory data analysis, data science, prototyping, processing Parquet or CSV files directly from S3, and embedding analytics into applications. ClickHouse shines in production environments, real-time dashboards, log analytics, monitoring systems, and anything requiring sub-second queries across terabytes with hundreds of concurrent users. Bottom line, DuckDB is your Swiss Army knife for local analytics. Fast, simple, perfect for individual data work. ClickHouse is your production-grade distributed system for enterprise-scale real-time analytics. The sweet spot? Many teams actually use both, DuckDB for exploration and prototyping, ClickHouse for production deployments. They're not competitors, they're complementary tools in the modern data stack. If you found this comparison useful, smash that subscribe button and drop a comment with which database you're using. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.